So the boat launch is remote control, pretty easily power on there, takes a second, connecting, then you've got, that turns the drives on, and then on the back here you've got a dead man switch, so you have to control that to be able to push that to control it. So forward for forwards, back to back. And obviously you can turn it, front wheel turns. So you're pretty easy. The other function we have is a zero turn, which is really good for manoeuvring. With that, you push this button here, the front wheel goes to 90 degrees, and you can literally turn the unit in its length using electronic diff in the back. Let that go, the wheel centers again. And you're back to normal. So you can mount this on the dash of the boat or remove it like I have for, say, tight manoeuvring in the driveway or in and out of the garage. So when you're finished, drives off and power off.